In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer domain from Godaddy to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clear path to move your domain smoothly with no guesswork. Make sure you can sign in to both your Godaddy and Squarespace accounts, and that you have access to the email address listed on your domain. That email is how transfer confirmations are delivered. Start by opening your browser and searching for Godaddy. Click the official result to open the site, then sign in. Once you're in, head to your domain portfolio and select the domain you want to move. On the domain's overview page, look for domain privacy and switch it off. Turning off privacy temporarily is important because the transfer uses your public contact email for verification. While you're here, double-check that the domain's contact email is current and accessible so you don't miss any approval messages. Next, find the transfer section. Turn off the domain lock, which prevents transfers, and choose Transfer to another registrar. A new page will load. Click Continue to proceed. Look for the option to view the authorization code and reveal it. Copy this code and keep it handy. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, and keep the window open in case you need to grab it again. Now open a new tab and search for Squarespace. Click the official site and sign into your account. Navigate to Domains. Select Transfer a Domain, then paste your Godaddy domain name and click the arrow to move forward. Enter the authorization code you copied from Godaddy and follow the on-screen prompts to verify the details. Squarespace will check that the domain is unlocked and that the code is valid, then guide you through any final confirmations. Once submitted, the transfer process begins. It typically takes about 5 to 7 days to complete. During this time, you can track the status in your Godaddy account and in Squarespace. If you receive a confirmation email asking you to approve the transfer, make sure to confirm promptly to avoid delays. Avoid making other changes to the domain while it's in progress, and don't worry if DNS or website settings look unchanged during the move. That's expected until the transfer finishes. When it completes, your domain will appear in Squarespace under Domains, ready for you to manage renewals and DNS from one place. That's it. Your domain is on its way from Godaddy to Squarespace. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have a smooth, reliable transfer.